How can beginners escape from being English beginners? There is one more certain way, that is to memorize English vocabulary properly. What vocabulary should you memorize, especially if you're a beginner in English?
With every language, there's high-frequency content. In English, 1,000 words covers 85% of anything you're ever going to say in daily communication. 3,000 words gives you 98% of anything you're going to say in daily conversation. You've got 3,000 words, you're speaking the language. The rest is icing on the cake.
So Lonsdale precisely defined this. If you want to learn a language properly and quickly in 6 months, you need to know 1,000 very frequently used words. You know the language if you know the 1,000 words because they cover 55%. So obviously, memorizing the words that appear 1,000 times is much more efficient. If you don't memorize these words that appear many times, you won't be able to read English original books. 1,000 are really important, so we just need to build the foundation first. When you memorize 1,000 words, you can really learn the language fast. So the only vocabulary book that applies this is the Top 1,000 English Words book. First of all, the Top 1,000 English Words book was created by analyzing big data of English words that appear frequently in many award-winning children's literature books such as Newbery Medal, Carnegie Medal that have won numerous awards. They collected the 1,000 words with the highest frequency. If you memorize these 1,000 words, most of the words will be known. In other words, if you memorize the Top 1,000 English Words book, you can think that almost all the words in English news articles and words you need to understand English are in this book. But the more fundamental problem is regardless of having such good textbook and methods, if you don't memorize, it's pointless. Stop procrastinating. Just memorize 1,000 words neatly.